This is my M4, and today we're going to be maxing out the carbon fiber on this car. So come over here, let me show you. So we got ourselves a nice carbon fiber M Performance style front lip here. Very beautiful, very nice. And we got our two little carbon fiber bumper extension overlay pieces here as well. I mean, I'm not going to pick them all up. And then we got the diffuser, the middle of the diffuser rather, and then the two end pieces for the diffuser. And we also have side skirts, but they're over there being installed right now. We're still waiting on the wing, and that will be installed in this video, but for now, we're just gonna install all this. So we have a lip, side skirts, diffuser, and a wing to install in today's video. So subscribe and let's get right into it.
Baby, I'm calling for you, and I'm stuck in a loop.
So let's get this thing jacked up and let's start installing this carbon fiber. Yo, look how scraped up my front lip is already. I don't even have a lip on here and it's stock ride height. Oh, nah. Oh man, it's like warped and everything, bro. This front lip is not gonna last long. Applying some double-sided tape to the side skirts. Hell yeah. My God, is that cinematic? I'd say right there. All right, here you go.
Okay, so let's make sure we get this 100%.
All right, yeah, it's just that end. That is looking nice.
That will be
Whew.
finished.
Oh yeah. Nice.
Yes?
Nice. It is just about drilling time on the M4. Hopefully this goes well. Side skirt number 1 is installed. It is time for number 2. Tape is going down. Wow, nice.
All right.
Nice. All right, the second side skirt is installed. Oh, it looks so good. Oh yeah, that looks so much better. It is front lip time, but first, we need to remove these little rubber pieces right here if we want to install the front lip. So first we have to install these lip cover-up pieces. They go right about here, and then we can actually install the front lip. A little bit of surface prep to start us off. You can feel how scraped it is right underneath.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yes, you can.
Oh, sick. Oh, that looks so good. Even without the lip, bro, just those little carbon pieces add so much. The test fit was kind of a failure. It's a little bit off. So we're gonna try to lift up this mesh grate right here, so then maybe we can stick it underneath so that it'll actually fit. All right, tape is off. It is time to actually install the overlay. Here we go. Oh wow, that's so sticky. Hang on. What the f?
Oh, that, I told you, man, that's a one.
Oh, no way. I can't even get it.
Because you got no sticker on the bottom.
Oh, it's the bottom, okay.
So put your pressure, there you go. There you
So
go.
bottom, and then I'll just try to.
That is stuck, huh?
Yeah, oh, that is. Yeah, you know what? That went on really nicely, actually. That's like, yeah, perfect. Wow, that went better than I thought it would. Wow, that looks really good. I like that a lot. The lip is looking so good. This is the part I was looking forward to the most. I feel like the lip will have the biggest difference on the looks. All right, going for the second carbon fiber bumper overlay. This is so stressful, bro. You have no idea. This tape is so sticky, like you can't mess up. Come on. Come on.
That makes it go a little bit smoother.
Yeah, I mean, it did.
That one did, yeah.
And they're even lining up nicely, like right here. On both sides, wow. Carbon. Getting the front lip mocked up. Oh my God, this thing looks good. Bro, that looks so aggressive. Oh yeah. This side is very lined up.
And I'm stuck in a loop.
Oh my God, it looks so much different. It's like actually a new car. It's so different. Bro, this actually looks like a whole new car. It is so much more aggressive.
Baby, I'm calling for you. And I'm stuck.
Beautiful. All right, we need one final screw to get this front lip installed. Actually, this might be pretty satisfying. There's the hole. And there it is. See how warped my bumper is from before? You can't get a finger between there? Oh, actually, I guess you can't either there, but still, you can totally tell. Oh, that looks good though. Even giving me some nice lighting with that, like shit.
Yeah, you see that?
Let's get the little cinematic of it going down.
Was the whole front?
Doesn't it look like 20 times better?
Oh, shit, man. I like that.
It does look right. That's like exactly the way to put it.
Looks right.
It just looks right now.
Back it out, wiggle around, and then you could you could come in nice and straight.
Baby, I'm calling
Go get the
for you.
camera, bro, for the Mustang.
Stuck in a loop. Baby, I'm calling for you. I'm stuck in a loop.
Come on, get me over the bump. Come on. Oh God. All right. Hey, and the DRLs look sick, don't they? I actually can't get over how good the carbon fiber grills look with the carbon fiber bumper overlays, with the carbon fiber lip. This thing just looks complete. All right, but the final part for right now is the rear diffuser, so let's get that started. And actually, up first, you need to actually remove this bit right here.
Baby, I'm calling for you.
Nice. There it goes. Oh. Let's see what the new one looks like. Still missing the end pieces, by the way. That's still going on, but just the middle part, that looks so aggressive. Wow, look at that. You got the wrong one.
Okay.
Yeah, here, it's this one.
Thank you.
Oh, Aiden. Oh, sorry.
I gotta send you guys on a mission.
Okay.
I'd like you guys to go grab another roll of this right here. Right down
Okay.
to Ace Hardware.
All right, we need more tape. All right, the middle section of the rear diffuser is fully mounted and drilled already. Oh yeah, that looks 10 times more aggressive than stock. You can see just how much lower these fins are than the stock bumper. But we still have these end pieces to install. They sit about here. And this thing's gonna look sick.
Try fit it first before
Yeah.
you take that off. That's gonna be perfect
All right,
right
like-
there.
All right, this is just very stressful. Ugh. Bruh. Come on, give me the corner. Bro. There we go. Okay. Okay, good. No, it was off. Oh, yeah.
If you're happy with that, you stick it there, and then I'll.
Oh man. All right. All right. Oh, the diffuser looks so good. Rear diffuser is installed. This looks 10 times better than stock. Oh my God. So now we've got the diffuser, the side skirts, the mirror caps, the front grille, the bumper overlays, and the lip. So now we're just missing the wing, and then I will have officially maxed out the carbon fiber on this M4. Oh, dude, that is slammed. Here is the post-wash look on the M4. Almost complete. We still are waiting for the spoiler to come in, but damn, this looks good. I love this front end so much, man. Carbon grille with the carbon bumper overlays with the carbon lip just completes the front end for me. Also got the side skirts as well, you guys saw that. And then, oh, look at this diffuser, man. This thing is nasty. Big, aggressive diffuser. I am in love with the rear end of this car. Honestly, no spoiler actually looks really, really good in my opinion. We'll see if I even install that spoiler when it comes in. All right, so we got the wing, and I unfortunately do not have my video camera because I forgot to bring it. So we're gonna be recording this wing installation on the iPhone. So here's what she looks like before the wing, and here is what she looks like with the wing. 10 times better. All right, step one is to clean the surface because she is dirty. Row one of tape installed, baby. Little break to test fit the wing on the homie's car. Why does this look great, bro? Why does this look perfect? All right, second layer of tape is installed, and now it is time to peel it. Let's do it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's satisfying. Yeah. So I low-key forgot to record the actual install of the wing, and that's because I was freaking out because I placed it horribly wrong the first time. So I was more concerned with like actually placing it on the car than recording it, so sorry about that. But yeah, she's done. Everything's installed. The full carbon fiber body kit is done. We have the wing, the diffuser looking beautiful. Come around here, around the side. Of course, we got the side skirts, you already saw it. Looking beautiful. And then the front is just looking amazing. So now we have the carbon fiber grills, we have the carbon lip, and we also have these little air ducts carbon fiber as well. And yeah, we essentially just maxed out the carbon fiber on my M4 today. So thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you think about the carbon fiber on the M4 in the comments down below. Leave a like, subscribe, and actually hype the video since that's important now. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.